How to enable or disable calendar events affect availability on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Now from the home screen, open up the calendar app. Then tap on the calendars button at the bottom. And from here, tap on the information button right next to the calendar that you want to make the change. Then go down to the availability section and tap on events affect availability. Tap on the toggle button to turn it off or switch it on. And here it said events on this calendar will affect your availability for scheduling. Then tap on done to finished, then tap on done again. And that's it. After that, you can swipe up to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.